Power target trades, power trigger trades.
People, look at another great, powerful video here. After we won in AMC, posted this NVDa, June the 3rd. You can see that over here. NVIDIA had my eye on this, and it's showing power, so I'm posting this. Let's click into the plan and see what I said here. So, what did I say? I said NVIDIA set up to test 720 to 750. Now, of course, we never achieved the goals of the 720, but we came close to that, to the first goal. It is what it is. I'm going to show you, I do this step by step. You follow rules, you make dollar bills with skills. All right then. The June 11 700 calls is what we'll use. NVIDIA needs to break above a 680 for us to enter into this. Power is key. All right then. So on June the 2nd, this is based on the June the 2nd close, right? The 700 calls cost $562 per option. I standardly go in 18 calls. That's how I do it for me. Everybody has to do it according to their account size. Some people do 2 per plan or 4 per plan. It doesn't really matter. What does matter is that you consistently grind with skill. And those who do win, always. Those who are clowns, you know who you are, clowns. You don't make the money because you can't catch the big wins. If the market was easy, everyone would succeed. You have to grind with skill. Even if I hold your hand, you still have to grind with skill. You still have to take the right actions. If you're fearful, you're going to fail. F! Comprende? I'm dropping knowledge bombs here. I can only help those serious for success. And I'll show you in this video. We won an AMC, NVIDIA, and Tesla once again. Now, let's get back to it. So, you can see here, NVIDIA buy stops can be 750 for the June 11 700 calls. If you can confirm today, we have an edge. If not, we still have an edge. This stock can move. Great reason. I mean, it didn't do as well as I wanted, but good 100% gains. So I'm going to show you the facts. NVIDIA moving buy stops to 720. By the way here, Jeff, this is a great, I'm going to show Jeff's, he sent another gift today, June the 8th. I'm going to show it, but it's a great story because Jeff has a small account. I want you to hear what he said. This is amazing stuff from people who grind with skill. He's a new member too. I think he's been grinding in the rain. It's been tough. But I want you to see what he says. So here it is. NVIDIA confirming with the June 04 700 calls at 740. So again, you'll see that in the group I write the pivots and everything. I help us win from start to end, to taking profits, the whole 9 yards. So let's go to some of those things. If you're serious for success, study my YouTube channel. It's the same thing year after year after year. It is a grind. It is not easy, but we do succeed when you grind with skill, with the big picture leader, power to trade. Ha ha, stock clowns! Here you can see me saying in the group, I cannot help most people because most people rather not study the facts. My channel shows they can only see the green when I warn it's not going to be like that. Same problem year after year, but the right people get it. I can help them, and we witnessed that from the gifts in AMC, people. Make sure to see the AMC video as well as the Tesla video. I will be making a Tesla video later, probably tomorrow, like on June the 9th. I'm up 6.4K in NVIDIA with 18 options right now. It's great grinding with skill, people. We're getting great sun this week. I mean, these are not even big deal wins compared to some of the great gains we made in AMC, GME this week. AMC was a good win, but it was a better win than NVIDIA. But still, a great win is a great win, right? 100% gains, 100% gains. Can't complain, right? That's doubling your money. Comprende? Get that in your thick skull. We're not talking about baby options here, right? We're talking about options that cost $500 to $800 per option. doubling that amount. So if you got 10 calls, just do the mathematics for yourself. That's what's going on here. Year after year after year. Grinding with skill. All right then. There it is. NVDa. Looking good pre-market. So sold 6 calls of NVDa over at 1340. Now calls are at 1435. NVDa options are now over 15. Just sold 3 more at 15. So basically, I sold 9 calls between 15 and 1340. So for an average of about $1,400 per option. A good 100% gains, maybe 1450. Easy 100% gains. Now, that's not what we got in our runners, okay? Because we were trying to get more. That's how we always do. So the runners weren't as a success, but we still took gains. You can see now I said I have 9 runners at NVDa. I just banked 6K in gains for a 30K week. Some nice gains. Okay, anyways, that's besides the point. So anyways, NVDa placing stops on our runners at 9.0. Noticing that is way below what we could sell it at. I'm going to show in the charts. Okay, NVDa, I just sold 3 more of our calls at 1690. Now holding 6 runners at 10. So I sold 3 more, right? That means I have 6 runners. Got stopped out on my 6 runners. So I sold 3 at 1690, right? So when you add of what I sold, the 9 plus the 3, yeah, 9 plus, regardless, greater than 100% gains. Okay, and the runners didn't lose money. We still made money, but just a little bit money on the runners. Now, at the time, we were thinking big with NVDa, but NVDa didn't follow the rules. You can see here now NVDa to hit 790 would take a week, but step by step, you never know. I'm just trying to project what could possibly happen. It didn't happen. It might happen later on, but that's another plan and that's another story. NVDa's, our stops could be 10. Now, when we had the stops at 10, the options were at 16. I'm going to show you all this, right? It's what it takes to grind with skill. We're always trying to catch big wins. Okay? It doesn't mean we're going to, but we're trying to. And that is the facts, step by step explained in the group, in my videos, showing you. Of course, you know you get more out of being in the group, but it's all a grind with skill. And the people who win with skill always win. Because they grind with skill. Stockpiles. All right, so here we'll just skip it, go to June the 7th. Still holding those runners, right? I had 6 of them. And this is what happened. NVDa now over 705, 68.39. There's option 1681. So our stops can now be 13 for the June 11, 700 calls. If we bust over 710, game over. And that's what we did. We actually went over. The options hit 21. I ended up getting stopped out. I'm going to show you. I moved this as best as I could. Right? I'm going to scroll. Let's take a look here, people. Stopped out of NVDa. Great gains, people. Yeah, moving stops to 13, so I stopped out. So I got about, the options hit 21. So let me read Jeff's gift today. It was based on NVIDIA and Tesla. I'm not going to go over all the gifts for NVIDIA. I'm going to go over them again in Tesla. But I want to show you, see it says 53 minutes, okay? And today is June the 8th, okay? I'm making this video around 2:31 p.m. I want you to understand this. Just listen to this carefully, okay? So this is Jeff, okay? Aloha, Sandro. Thanks again and again from the bottom of my heart. 3 amazing wins back to back. I truly feel one day I will be able to do this full time with your help and guidance. Joining your group has been life-changing. I am truly blessed to have met you and this supporting group. When I first asked to join, I already knew it was time for me to get a mentor to face these tough markets. Not only do you provide your amazing plans, you manage the trades, coach throughout the day about the difficulties in the markets and more. It's extremely difficult to succeed in these ever-changing markets. As you always say, it's a grind, and words cannot express my gratitude. Thanks again, Sandro. Here Here's to many more victories, Jeff. So he had sent me, now he's a small account, but sent me $333.99. Got a lot of other great gifts, but today we're talking about the NVDa win. Stay tuned for the Tesla video coming next, probably tomorrow. Let's go to the charts now, people. All right, so we're in the charts right now, and you can see that on Thursday we closed at 678, on Friday 703, and then on Monday we hit a high of 712.50. Okay, that's the day we got stopped out on our but you can see that was a great move. A good 40-point swing. Caught with the 700 calls November 11. It was a few day hold with skills though, people. With skills. Ate some nuts. So it's all about grinding with skill. Right, so this is an options chart. And as you can see, what was the here was the plan on the 6th, on the 2nd, right? And we confirmed on the 3rd, okay? So you can see that the options, the close on that day was 5.62. It says NVIDIA green, that's 5.62 was the close, right? So open, and that's the close. And the close was the high was 775 for the 2nd of June. So here it is. The open was 5. The high 1295, and the close was 740 on Thursday. On Friday, we got our gains. You can see. Look at the arrow. There's a box. I'm clicking on here. Open 890, high 1860, low 865, close 1565. Banked most of the options. And then here's on Monday. So the open 1575, high 2170, close 1460, low 705. So stopped out on the runners. Didn't get as much as we sold, but that's how it works. Sometimes but when you're not grinding with skill and you're not trying to catch big wins, you're never going to catch the big wins like we did with AMC, for example, or GME. Stay tuned, study my YouTube channel. All right, welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. If you want to become a member inside my group, study this video here. It's a pinned tweet. All the information is right on my channel. Over here is the link to my YouTube channel. Click on it. And in this video, I'm going to give you an easy way to subscribe. If you're serious for success, follow the rules. Study the facts. Study what my winning members are saying. Study my YouTube channel. I can only help those who are serious. I can only help those that are serious for success. I cannot help clowns. If you're not going to take this as a serious business, you do not have a prayer to win in options. It takes high skill, high action. You've got to take action. You've got to be, I make a baby easy. Buy stops. Baby buy stops. It's like but people fail. They can't. They overtrade. They don't manage their money well. I can't help clowns. If you're a clown, identify. You clown. Then you can move forward. But if you cannot identify, you are the problem. You're not going to make money. You can make all the excuses you want. You're just going to be a loser. L. Tell it the facts. My winners in the group, the only reason why they keep sending me gifts is because they grind with skill. If they didn't grind with skill, I wouldn't bother doing this thing. It's pointless. Like, if no one's going to succeed with me, what's the point? I'm succeeding. I'm making my pockets fat, and I'm willing to help anyone for free succeed along with me. But if you're not winning, what can you do? You're not any good for yourself or for me. Think about that. At the end of the video, you're going to see this icon. See the Power Trick or Trade icon. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to like the video.